Hey. Hey, Playboy. Peace, fam. Hey, let me holler at you real quick, though. Man, ain't nobody trying to hear all that. Nah, I ain't trying to preach to you or nothing like that, homie. I just want to kick you some game you might be able to use a little bit later on down the line in life. You know what I'm talking about? Alright. What did this here? Walk with me, walk with me, walk with me. First of all, keep your mind on the things you want and off the things you don't need. You know what I'm talking about? Direct your thoughts in a positive direction while controlling your emotions at all times. Learn from the experience of others while getting ready to succeed and achieve success through a mental attitude that has the courage to face the truth day by day and every way through the grace of God. Amen. Be willing to risk failure, but anything in life worth having is worth working for. First you gotta believe, then you can achieve. Yesterday I said one day I'ma do big things. Today became one day I'm still doing the same thing. Yesterday I said one day that I'ma stop smoking. I got a plan but no date, see that can always wait. Hey, I'ma do that one day and I'ma do this too. Stop playing the fucking fool and go back to school. I'ma get up early, get all of my shit done. No pressing the snooze and sleep until noon, I'll get it done. Now what I really need to do is find myself a job, get a plan and start striking like a lightning rod. But everywhere I go, there's the po-po. Looking at my license plate to see if it was stole. I'm like, no, legs bubble, roll slow, slouch down so low, you barely see my torso. One day, I'ma fill the whole tank up, get my bank up, and my rank up. One day, yeah, I'ma do it right. One day, never giving up the fight. One day, yeah, I'ma do it strong, yeah, I'ma do it big, yeah, you know who it is. One day, yeah, I'ma do it right. One day, never giving up the fight. One day, yeah, I'ma do it strong, yeah, I'ma do it big, yeah, you know who it is. Now yesterday I said one day I'm gonna call my ex, but I'm just lying to myself, I wouldn't waste my breath. The other day I said I'ma stop deleting people one by one. If you're not important, see you people. Yesterday I said one day I'm gonna change my life, have a couple kids, shit, maybe a wife. And for the record, I'm a lover, not a thug. Nitro, don't play that wiggity whack loving without no dub. Yesterday I said one day I'm gonna leave again. I'm still thinking about it, you know, probably doubt it. And before you know it, I'll be looking back again, Stone Cold Mac again, looking for a track again, stacking ins, dressed in all black again, looking for the right opportunity to rap again. I got the spirit, I got the heart. One day I'ma set it up, let's go. One day, yeah, I'ma do it right. One day, never giving up the fight. One day, yeah, I'ma do it strong, yeah, I'ma do it big, yeah, you know who it is. One day, yeah, I'ma do it right. One day, never giving up the fight. One day, yeah, I'ma do it strong, yeah, I'ma do it big, yeah, you know who it is. Now yesterday, all my problems seem so far away. Well shit, at least that's what Paul McCartney say. Now yesterday, nah, my problem's still here today. Make me wanna pack up all my shit and move right away. Far away, somewhere far where no mosquitoes, just a lot of sun, a little snow, a bunch of ski holes. I'm in Aspen, gasping for air. Yesterday I said I really don't care, but I do. One day, I'm gon' get my shit together. One day, I'm gon' do it like no one better. One day, I'm gon' shine like the star that I am. Rocking out, this is my jam, now everyone know that I can. One day, I'm gon' get my shit together. One day, I'm gon' do it like no one better. One day, I'm gon' shine like the star that I am. Rocking out, this is
Hey yo, the rain was steady pouring, heard the drops, a drizzle meant to be. Chillin' in my crib, no doubt, peep the scenery. Telephone rang, then it stopped before I could answer it. I heard it knock at the door, so I answered it. And with Jermaine, he had a little situation. Beef up on the block, and orthodox to led the confrontation. He said these cats be acting hard on the block, and they be pumping weight and holding, so Dwayne got shot. Now see, Dwayne was just a knucklehead, but still was his cousin. And I'd be wrong if I ain't help him when it's beef, he gon' rush. And he said, listen, homie, ain't no time for discussion. Motherfucking pressure's rising and it's boiling to bust him. So if you with me, then you with me, nigga, make a decision. Got the bait, you be the hook, cause we's about to go fishing. Now listen, when it's on, then it's on for show. Kiss my girl up on the head and then the wind up the door. Stunned up in the dark, it comes to light. So always play your part, and say goodnight. Stunned up in the dark, it comes to light. So always play your part, and say goodnight. Stunned up in the dark, it comes to light. So always play your part, and say goodnight. Stunned up in the dark, it comes to light. So always play your part, Hey yo, we pulled up on the block and it's raining, it's hard to see shit. All I seen is 6 headlights, that means it's 3 whips. 3 chicks hopped at the whip, they had some heaters with them. Walked up on it slowly and told me they wanted to get to know me. Jermaine was scoping them bitches, he peeped their strategy. They took us to a building with children, they watching actually, but naturally took us to the basement instead. I see Dwayne up in the corner, but they told me he's dead. That's when I looked up at Jermaine, he got a smirk that he made. Put his pistol to my back and told the bitches let's trade. Motherfucker set me up, but ain't no time for discussion. Seen him stalling for a minute, so I started to rush him. Knocked the pistol out his hand and quickly fell to the floor. We scuffled back and forth for minutes, I got snuffed in my jaw. And when I got back to my feet, I saw him clutching his heater. He pulled it quickly like a symphony, and now I'm with Jesus. It's like stunned up in the dark, it comes to light. So always play your part, and say goodnight.